Well, welcome back. We finally got most of everything kind of moved into one area so I can work on my truck. A lot's changed. The 65 is now sitting on my 605 Tahoe frame. Different rims, different tires, but they're still 20s. We are converting it over onto this frame. We have completely stripped this thing out. I have taken the dash out. We have bought new metal for the top of the inside to get rid of all the rust. One for the outside. We bought new rockers to replace that. Let's see, what else? Got rid of the windshield. Got one new windshield over here. Even got the tent built into it. Just ready to get in there. Pulling the doors off. We got new doors coming. We're using the 05 gas tank lines and everything. We got to modify a piece of metal going across here to raise the cab up to level it out. Got to put some body mounts here. Redo bed mounts whenever we put the bed on. We are redoing the dash. So this right here is the original little box door. This one was given to me, which I clean up and polish. Put it in there, about chrome. And this right here, this was an air conditioner slot for this dash. That one's made solid. This right here is out of a RV. Shippers down there on the bottom. I had this on another dash. It was an actual insert. So we put this in here. Kind of snaps in. And we're going to take this. And we're going to mount our shifter into the dash. I think it'll look pretty cool. A lot of sanding, getting all this done. A lot of body work. Still gotta cut and fit all them pieces. So I can get in here and do all this work to the cab. My new rockers. And we tore everything out of this thing. I got new wiring, everything for it. I'll go back in it. Got pretty good headline, all metal, original. We're going to replace all that rust out. That piece right there. It's getting there. Yep. Keep at it. Like, subscribe. Keep on keeping on.